Oh, do you know this fruit? It's looking so unique. I think it's apple. Which fruit is this? Wow, inside yellow. Oh, this is fruit farm. Fresh fruits. Amazing. Oh, do you know this fruit? So let's do comment. Oh, look this fresh guava. Inside so red. Oh, juice making machine. It's a gadget. Oh wow. Picking fruits from tree. Oh, egg. Chips. Oh, Kori noodles. Oh. Wow. It's amazing. Look this fruit. Wow, amazing. Oh, fresh watermelon. Do you like watermelon? So do comment. Wow, fresh fruit farm. Wow. I think it's peach. Nice. Many peaches picking from tree. Wow. Yellow and pink peaches. Oh wow. Fresh guava. Look this orange. Outer orange, inside red. Oh, pinch and watermelon crack. Wow, look this skill. Do you love oranges? So do subscribe. Oh, do you know this fruit? I'm seeing first time. Looks satisfying. Wow. Wow. Looks so fresh fruit. Wow. Orange. Looks so juicy. Nice. I love this. Oh, which fruit is this? Oh, it's tomato. Wow, nice fresh farm. Amazing fruits and vegetables. Corn. Oh wow. How? Oh nice, nice. It's creativity. Which fruit is your favorite? Let's do comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this page. Thanks for watching.